Hello and welcome to this guided grounding meditation. If we start by finding a comfortable seat and placing the hands palms face down, either on the thighs or the knees for grounding, so palms face down. Taking a breath in and then a releasing sigh out. Allowing the shoulders to melt down, breathing in and up, shoulders up, and then breathing out, shoulders up and back and down. Taking a few more deep, extended breaths in, filling up the belly, and then breathing out, arriving, dropping into this restful, easeful state of the parasympathetic nervous system. Continuing to breathe in and out, consciously breathing, drawing awareness to extended out breaths, breathing in, filling up the belly, the entire torso, and then breathing out the nose now. Extended breath out. Now if we bring the hands together and create friction in between the palms by rubbing them together for a few seconds. And once you feel a bit of warmth, parting the hands, the palms, gently further away from each other, molding this shape, feeling this energy in between the palms, this ball, invisible force field, this orb, envisioning this light to be restoring and clearing and grounding. You may want to bring to mind, to your third eye, a visual image of or a felt sense of a tree for grounding. Breathing that in and breathing out any stuck energies in and out the nose. Now, if we place the hands above the head and start to expand this light in your mind's eye, so resting your hands now, expanding the light as you breathe in, this restoring, clearing, grounding energy, and then allowing this light to trickle around the head, the scalp, resting and unclenching the head, the brain, the eyes, the ears, melting away any tenseness, any tightness of the face, washing over the face with this light, trickling around the head, the face, the mouth, parting the lips to release the jaw, and in turn releasing the pelvic muscles and the shoulders. It's all interconnected. Really important here to release the jaw of the light. Allowing this light to trickle down the arms, out the fingertips, clearing away any dense energies. Allowing this light to wash down the back, down the front, the shoulders, the lower back, the chest, the torso, the abdomen, the waist, the entire region of the legs, the feet, as if you're pushing away any energies that aren't serving you, or any sense of fatigue or low thoughts, any negativity out of your body with this light that is coming through. Breathing in as you visualize light coming up and through the front body, up to your crown, and then breathing out as this light trickles down your back, down your shoulders, clearing away any thoughts that aren't serving you, any emotions that are stuck, any blockages, so that you're better able to think and live with more calm in moments to follow this meditation. Now we'll bring the hands together again, creating friction in between the palms once again, and then parting the palms, placing the hands on the heart here. One on the heart and one on the belly. Bringing to mind this visual of a tree, or this felt sense of a tree. Drawing this energy in, of rooting, of grounding. Continuing to breathe for a few more breaths. I am rooted, I am grounded. All that I need is already within me. And I am able to continue moments to follow this practice with this grounding energy that I have cultivated. Thank you. Namaste.